Even though you may be so familiar with the hairstylist, the hair designer, are you still nervous when you have your hair cut?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm still afraid that it's gonna hurt.
Oh,
sort of.
that's
like
fascinating.
babies, think it'll hurt when you cut their hair. I'm sure they think that.
Yeah.
And I still do a little bit.
Can you imagine walking in and letting a stranger cut your hair?
No.
Okay. Well, a lot of people are nervous about changing their look, but they usually relax when our master of the makeover takes out his scissors. Let's see what magic Jose has ready for us today. Jose Eber. How are you? Huh?
Nice to meet you.
All right. Big doings today.
Yeah, today is an exciting segment, I believe, because once in a year, I get this major makeover where the girl never cut her hair in a very long time and decided to go very short. So this is what I brought in today. It's a girl named Karen who was very excited of getting her hair cut off.
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah, look at this hair. I mean, she didn't cut it in over 10 years, I would say. Doesn't she look like who? Like who you said?
Lady Godiva.
Lady Godiva.
Yeah.
But, I mean, I thought it was time. And she was ready, absolutely. I mean, it was part of her trademark to have long hair like this. But she was actually ready and came to my salon. I didn't pull her in there.
Yeah.
And she wanted to cut.
Oh,
so I decided to bring her on the show.
Having that hair for that long, nervous about it? I mean...
She was not actually nervous, is what surprised me. I mean, it was part of her body, actually, trademark, but she wanted to get it cut.
Did you do it all at once, Jose, or did you do stages, or how did you do it?
I came here last week for the pre-taping, and actually you're going to see my first snip. And by the way, it broke my scissor.
Did it?
It did break my scissor because she has a lot of hair. I mean, look at the little scissors. You remember my scissors?
Look at this! Oh, and it gave you those funny little dents in your fingers, too, all that, didn't it?
Usually I have these extremely long scissors, and look what they became.
All right, well, let's
Why don't we look at, and the husband, by the way, was with me, and I mean, he was holding her hand, actually. But why don't we look at the tapes the way I did it, the first snip.
Good.
Are you ready? Are you nervous?
Yes.
You are nervous?
Yes.
That's
I'm fine.
You're fine? Nobody's going to faint? That's it. Okay, 1 second. Hold it. That's it. It's getting there. I'm cutting it. My God, you have a lot of hair. Oh. Is it painful? Is it painful?
No, not even.
It's coming out there.
I don't believe it.
10 years worth of grow. Finally. That's it.
I don't believe it.
Look at this. Don't worry.
Oh, what a shock.
Isn't it a shock?
All that hair's gone.
And you saw the husband. I mean, he was fine. I mean, he was not like nervous. This is Karen Foles. She had long hair since over 10 years, and today I'm actually going to cut it short.
Wish me luck.
Cut it in over 10 years, I would say. Doesn't she look like who? Like who you said?
Lady Godiva.
Lady Godiva.
Yeah.
But, I mean, I thought it was time, and she was ready, absolutely. I mean, it was part of her trademark to have long hair like this, but she was actually ready and came. Look at the tapes the way I did it, the first snip.
Good.
Are you ready? Are you nervous?
Yes.
You are nervous?
Yes.
That's
I'm fine.
You're fine? Nobody's going to faint? That's it. Okay, 1 second. Hold it. That's it. It's getting there. I'm cutting it. My God, you have a lot of hair. Oh. Is it painful? Is it painful?
No, not even.
It's coming out there.
I don't believe it.
10 years worth of grow. Finally. That's it.
I don't believe it.
Look at this. Don't worry.
Oh, what a shock.
Isn't it a shock?
All that hair's gone.
And you saw the husband. I mean, he was fine. I mean, he was not like a nervous wreck. I mean, they were excited about it, I guess. She was more nervous to do the show, actually, than to have a hair.
At work, and I bent over because something, and that was down that day only. And I looked under, and it sucked my hair right up. And that's the truth.
It's a terrible thing to laugh at, but it isn't. What are you laughing at, Carter?
I'm so sorry. But I had visions of something
I'd like to also mention a very pretty outfit. It's by Across America by Knit Maven Limited, and it's very, very pretty. Well, let's take a look at, let's take a look at Karen before.
We should see
This is a big difference. And here is Karen afterwards. Holy smokes. Yeah, terrific. Thank you. David, thank you very much. What a look. Jose?